You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect the dots looking backwards.
Your soul has a destiny. And that destiny is unraveling right in front of you. Will you allow yourself to fall in a direction you know your soul is calling you? Your higher self, your true self.
I'm calling my heart, calling my heart, calling my heart. Hey, you wanna, hey, Anna, hey, ne. Pray within me, pray within me, pray within me. Hey, you wanna, hey, Anna, hey, ne.
The death of the ego, the death of the shadow, the death of the old ways, the death of the social constructs. What needs to die, what needs to end, is beyond the fear, it's beyond the security, it's beyond death. There is no fear in divinity.
Let the world see you. Let the world hear you. Be free.
This life is a dream.
This means you are your own oracle. You're your own messenger.
It'll be over in the blink of an eye.
You actually have the answers.